The 2024 Paris Olympic will have an opening ceremony this Friday for 4 hours. Paris, France is holding their third time for Summer Olympic. The first one was in 1900. It was repeated again in 1924. Now, 100 years later, 2024, Paris, France is ready for Summer Olympics. And look at the teaser for the opening ceremony. At huwag po nating kakalimutan, kailangang panoorin The Philippine Pride, ang pambato ng Pilipinas na si Carlos Yulo. Panoorin po ninyo ang kanyang gold winning performance sa floor exercise. Here we go. To Carlos and the other Philippine delegates, good luck sa inyong lahat.